Welcome back to Medical Professor. Today we will learn action verbs. Action verbs show what someone does. Today we'll practice 40 simple sentences with action verbs. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and notice the action word in each sentence. Daily activities. I eat breakfast every morning. She drinks water after running. They play football in the park. He reads a book at night. We watch TV together. The baby cries loudly. I write notes in my notebook. She cooks delicious food. They walk to school every day. He listens to music in the car. School and work. I study English every day. She teaches math to her students. They ask questions in class. He answers the phone quickly. We learn new words in English. The boy draws a picture. She writes an email to her boss. They solve a problem together. He types on the computer. I practice speaking English. Fun and free time. She sings beautifully. He dances at the party. They swim in the pool. I run every morning. She paints a picture. He plays the guitar. They travel to new places. I drive my car to work. She rides a bicycle. He jumps over the fence. Everyday life actions. They clean the house on weekends. She opens the window. He closes the door. I wash my hands before eating. She cuts vegetable for dinner. He fixes his bike. They carry bags to the car. I buy food from the shop. She helps her mother. He builds a sandcastle at the beach. So these are 40 action verb sentences. Remember, action verbs show what someone does. Practice them every day to speak English more fluently. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your own sentence with an action verb below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.